All right, since I know that we're all ready and we're all paying attention, so let's see. Class?
Yes.
Thank you. Now, Big Mac, I know you ain't on your phone again, are you? Ain't no way in hell you'd be doing some of that, would you? Is that phone going to go away right now? Yes, thank you very much. Good job. Away, away. Yeah, but just put it in the pocket. Just because, yeah. I can still see underneath your desk. You know that, right?
No.
Okay, so now he knows. So we're going to go through this, and you guys are going to do amazing. Everyone's going to get an A on this test because everyone's paying attention right now, right? Good. So, quadrilaterals. So the perimeter of the rectangle in the diagram, what is perimeter? What is a perimeter? Anyone? Perimeter.
Like outside?
That outside, right? That outside. All the outside together, right?
Right.
Okay, so what's this top length going to be?
2x.
2x.
And then the other side will be x.
Very good. And all of it together, it says the perimeter of the rectangle is
66.
So I'm going to write out the problem. So it's going to be my two sides, x plus 2x plus 2x. That's all my sides together, and that has to equal 66.
I lost my practice.
All right, how many x's do we got here? We add them all up.
4x.
Try again.
2. Wait.
Nope, try again.
4.
Try again.
6.
How's there 6? Over here we got how many x's?
1.
There's 2 x's right here.
2.
How many x's are over here?
Got 5. 2.
Okay, and so there's another one there and another one. So together, how many x's total?
6.
6. There is 6 x's. Because we count that as 2 separate x's right there. So 2 x's, 2 x's, 1x, 1x, 6x equals 66. And now from here, to get x by itself, I need to do what to both sides?
6.
Divide by. X is 11.
I got it right.
There we go.
You put it down there, right?
Yeah, down here.
Okay.
So x is 11.
Using that value, we have to calculate the area of the rectangle.
Ooh, area. Now, how do I find the area of a rectangle?
You calculate it.
How do you find it?
The area is the inside right, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do I find the area? How about formula? What would I use to actually calculate the area of this shape?
2x. Wait,
Is there a formula for area? Yes, there is. Yeah, it's length times width. Ah, dang it. Okay, so if x is 11, what's this one down here on the bottom? It's 22. 11 times 2 is 22. And this one over here, x is just 11. And to find the area, it would be 22 times 11. So 22 times 11. To what? 240. 242?
Oh, I got it right.
Did you get it wrong?
Can you say that again, sir?
242.
No, that one. How do you get 42?
Length times width.
22. No, yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So in this rectangle, it says solve for y. Now, if it's a rectangle, what do I know about rectangles? Which ones are equal? Opposite sides are equal. Are all of them equal? Say no. Just opposite sides are equal. So that means that this one and this one are going to be equal, aren't they?
Yeah.
So I could say 5 equals,
Y plus 4. And you can do it for the other ones.
I can, but this first one's only asking for y.
Oh.
So what do? I want to get y by itself. So
Put both fours at the top and the bottom. Right?
how about let's move the y first. Let's move the y. So let's subtract 1y. Subtract 1y. So how many y's if I subtract
4y.
y? 4y equals 4, right? And then I need to divide both sides by
4.
4. Very good. Y is
1.
1.
So that's the first aspect there?
Yeah, that's for this one right here. Ooh, now this one, it's not asking you for the answer for z, it says the equation. So how would I set up the equation for z? 6z plus 2, right?
Yeah.
What about that?
Equals
Equals
8z
8z minus 4. So it didn't say solve for it.
Wait, is that an A right there? 8Z?
Yeah, it's 8z. That's what this is right here. 8z and the 6z plus 2. So it said write out the equation.
And then it gives you a third part. Solve the equation and part B.
Yep, there you go. Now solve it for z. So I'm going to go over here. So 6z plus 2 equals 8z minus 4. So let's move the z's to the right side. So I'm going to subtract 6z from both sides.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So on the left-hand side, do I have any z's left on the left-hand side? No, because that go away. So it's 6z minus 6z. That goes away. And I'm left with 2 plus 4 is?
6.
There we go. Equals, now on the right-hand side, the negative 4 plus 4, that became 0, so that went away. Now I have 8z minus 6z, 2z.
Oh, what?
8 minus 6 is 2.
Oh, right.
And then from there, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So z is 3. Very good.
That's what I was meant for that.
Yeah, that's what you meant. That's what you meant, right? It's almost like me telling people to put their earbuds away, and I mean for them to keep it away.
with the -8z. That's why I got that's what that part was. It's gonna get this.
All right, you guys feel pretty good about this now?
Yeah.
So you ready for this test?
No.
No. Supposed to say yes. Bring it. Bring the test. I got this.
No.
No? Más o menos? Okay. But you're getting there. All right, this one's not to scale. A builder estimates the number of bricks of the wall by dividing the area of the wall by the area of the face of a brick. So, let's find the area of the wall. Area of the wall. Okay, the area. So, length times width. And it is going to be 8 meters long, 1.2 meters high. No! There we go. And the problem is I'm dealing with meters and centimeters at the same time. Uh-oh. Anyone know how many centimeters is in a meter? 100. The word centa means 100. Yes, Big Mac, I can see that your earbud's going back in. Put it away. Do I need to have a new phone? So, are you going to put those headsets away? Yes, thank you. Good job, Big Mac. Now, the word centa refers to 100. So, a centimeter is 100th of a meter. So, that means that 8 meters, I would multiply that times 100. So that means that this right here is going to be 800 centimeters.
800?
Because it's 8 times, remember centimeters, there's 100 centimeters in a meter.
Right.
And then what about that 1.2? So 1.2 times 100, right? So it's going to be, wow, why does it keep doing that? It hates me. Anyway.
It looks better like that.
Okay. I don't know, it's like, it's kind of like the in kindergarten they give you the really fat crayons because you, yeah, that's basically it. That's what it feels like right there. The fat crayons that they don't trust me with because, you know, I break the crayons too easy. Anyway, so let's find the area of the wall. So to find the area, I'm multiplying 800 times 120. I'm multiplying 800 times 120.
Oh.
Is that where your calculator's at right there? Is that what the phone was for? Yeah, the phone was, yes. That's what you're using right there, right?
96,000?
96,000?
I think that number works out.
I know, right?
What you talking about?
And it even says right here, number of bricks by dividing the area of the wall by the area of the brick. So I'm going to divide this by the area of a brick. So here is one brick right here.
Yo, how are you breaking it?
That's what we're doing right now.
That.
It's almost like that's the question we were asking. What's the area of the brick? What is it? It's 20 times 10 is
200.
200. And then we do the math.
You get 40.
You get what? 480. Hi, Jenny. Do you have the paper from Friday? No. All right. Come grab it up here. We get 480 bricks right there. On all these questions, it actually gives you enough information to get you started off on most of these. Right there. Yep, that's. Ooh, rhombus.
Wait, does this look like this?
Yeah,
Like just more paper? Or,
trying to.
oh, okay.
Rhombus. What do we know about a rhombus, Big Mac? All right, so if we had our notebook open, what do we know about a rhombus? Good job, thank you. Rhombus has 4 congruent sides.
Oh, I thought.
4 congruent sides. Thank you. You know what? You're participating a lot. I appreciate you. You know what? Here, have a cookie. Okay, fine. No cookie.
Bruh.
I would have taken the offer.
Huh?
I would have taken it.
Ah. Anyway, all right. So for 4 congruent sides, what do I know about this and this?
They're both
Equal.
equal.
They are going to be equal, right? So, is this actually a rhombus?
No.
No, it's not a rhombus, is it?
No.
Why do I know it's not a rhombus?
Other sides
The sides aren't congruent, are they? So this one is not a rhombus, this is a
Square.
parallelogram. That's my bad. When I wrote the test, I totally forgot to change that.
Martin, you like on the roof?
Huh? Hopefully I won't mess that up. Alright, so in this one we're going to say that 2y minus 4 equals 30 because it's equal to the top part, right?
Right.
Okay. What am I going to do to that 4 value right there?
add it to
Very good. So add 4.
Add 4 to each side.
Divide both sides by
2.
y is
17.
what's wrong? Over there.
Okay.
If you didn't pick up your actually were you here Friday?
Yeah, the pretest?
Yeah,
I did that.
that's what we're doing.
Oh.
We're just working on it.
Oh.
Do you have your notebook?
I have fun.
It's right there.
Oh, right.
All right, so now let's go ahead and solve for x's.
Hey, that's big.
So this side is equal to this side. Because this being a parallelogram, those sides are equal, so x plus 3 equals 12. What am I going to do to both sides?
Three.
Minus 3, x s 9. Better?
Better.
Better?
Yeah.
Okay.
I already did this with this question.
You did what?
I did this with the math teacher. She did a correction on it.
Which math teacher?
Or the one with the glasses that has like a blonde hairstyle. I forgot her name. Huh?
Glasses?
Yeah. And she does like the tutoring thing.
Oh, it's Miss Dawn. What's her name?
Peña.
No. The lady in the tutoring. Yeah, what's her name?
Garly doesn't have glasses.
Yeah, she does.
Is she?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
her.
Okay. She.
Yeah, she's not Miss Dawn.
Yeah, I'm going over it right now though. So, hopefully. Alright, let's see. Now, by your definitions, which quadrilateral has all the following properties? Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel,
Right there.
diagonals bisect each other, and 4 congruent angles. What do you say? A rectangle. How? What is specific to the one to tell you it's a rectangle?
Oh, never. Hold on.
I heard it. Oh, no. It is going to be. There's 4 congruent angles.
It's B.
And let's look. Right? Hold on. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm not saying you're wrong. Don't erase it. Okay. 4 congruent angles. That means that each of the angles is right. Diagonals bisect each other. And then both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So, let's see. So, if that's a right angle. That's a right angle.
Bruh.
Okay, what is this one here called? That's a square, right? So is square one of my choices? No. Square is not one of the choices. Okay, then let's look. So is this one going to work? I got here, here. So opposite sides are parallel. So those ones are parallel. Those ones are parallel. And bisect each other. So, okay, it is going to be the rectangle right here. It is going to be a rectangle because when you're looking at this, the key word on this one is going to be 4 congruent angles.
Wait, you were telling her zero or?
No, she was erasing stuff already.
Oh.
I didn't want her erasing anything until we go through the whole thing. We're going through elimination. So if you're looking in your notes, you're going through your checklist on these, on all these things. So that one is going to be a rectangle. A rhombus, remember, has 4 congruent sides, but it doesn't say about the angles though. And it says it is a trapezoid. Okay, what do we know about trapezoids?
They have 4 sides.
Okay, see these right here? What do this and this mean? Those are parallel, right?
Have to make 180 degrees.
What makes 180?
Two opposite angle.
So right here, not opposite.
Diagonal.
These ones, anyone remember the special word for this line cutting through here?
Oh, we have that in our notes.
It's a special word, huh? No, it would be a leg, but it's only a leg if it's an isosceles trapezoid.
Trampoline.
Transverse.
Transversal. So transversal is a line that's cutting through a pair of parallel lines. And because of that, this angle here and this angle right here are supplementary. So that angle and that angle have to add up to 180. So mathematically, I would say 62 plus angle S has to equal 180. So, right here, yes. Yeah, go ahead. Subtract 62 from both sides.
I know, but when the teacher see it, it'll stay.
Angle S is
Right equation.
118?
I know 118 is right.
Yeah, 118? Okay, good. What if I was trying to solve for angle R?
It'll be different.
Or, I'm sorry, Q. I would have to use this one because it has a different transversal. That one has a different transversal there.
It's different down.
So that would be angle Q plus 106 equals
Look like that. You did it.
180. So if we're solving for angle Q, I'm not implying that you might see that on the test, but you had to find the other one, minus 106 from both sides. 06. Angle Q is 74. Because if it was 62, it would be the same as this other angle over here. But it's not the same as that one. That's why. That's why I redid this one, so you can see they are different transversals, so they come up with different values. Make sense? Okay. All right. Any other questions? So everyone's going to make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. What are we doing on Wednesday?
Test.
We're doing a test. Open notes? Yes. Open review? Yeah. So today, for the rest of this class, work on any of the old practices that you owe me, and get those all in. Make sure you all like, share, and subscribe.